Hello, you're back on Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. I have another wig review for you. This is the Vivica Fox wig, and this is Serenity. She is a Swiss lace front wig that comes with natural baby hairs according to this particular stock card. Stick around, we're gonna put her on and see what she looks like. This wig does come with an adjustable band that you see here at the nape of the wig, along with one comb positioned here. And there are 3 combs positioned in the front of the wig, 2 on the side, and there's an additional one here. This is with Swiss lace around the perimeter of the wig, and it does come with baby hairs. And these are the beautiful curls that came out straight out of the pack. She is a full wig with beautiful curls. You saw me simply take my fingers. I usually don't comb my wigs. I usually take my fingers and pull the curls out as much as I like, or whatever my preference is. But I'm not mad at Vivica. The color that I am wearing is FS427, and this is what she looks like up close. Let's do a 360, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the hair over my shoulders so that hopefully you'll be able to see it in the back. Now, to my surprise, this wig is lightweight. I just simply thought the curls would weigh it down a little bit, but no, she is actually a lightweight wig. Yeah, I'm liking her. All of the information about where I purchased her, the cost, everything will be provided below. I want to thank you again for always tuning in, and thank you to those who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and until next time, take care of each other and definitely yourself, and we'll be back with another wig review very soon.